Welcome to the introductory course on the bike X25. In this course, we will introduce the X25 from the 5 aspects of overview, design highlights, power and controllability, outstanding safety, and smart technology. In the overview part, we will gain an overall understanding of the model background and positioning of the X25. The X25 is a small SUV, meticulously developed by a leading international team. It originates from the chassis platform of Bike MB Tech and is integrated with Saab technology. The X25 possesses unique advantages in terms of cost efficiency, fuel consumption, safety, and appearance. Bike MB Tech is a joint automotive R&D institution between Bike and Daimler's MB Tech. It aspires to further boost the passenger vehicle and core parts R&D strength of the Bike brand, improve Bike's ability to convert Mercedes-Benz technology, and help Bike to develop high-quality, high-tech products. The establishment of Bike MB Tech symbolizes that Bike has acquired the qualifications of a globally leading innovative auto company. The X25 has integrated outstanding resources worldwide. Most of its numerous configurations come from internationally known parts manufacturers, including Magna, Hella, Webasto, and Desai SV Automotive. Among the suppliers for the X25, 28% are internationally known brands, while 27% are top-class brands in China. In addition, the X25 has lived up to expectations and adopted internationally advanced text specifications and standards, earning itself a good reputation for high quality. The X25 has passed verifications under high temperature, highland, alpine, high humidity, anti-corrosion, anti-interference, and other harsh working conditions. It has also undergone a vehicle reliability and durability test over 269,900 kilometers. The X25 has reached a reliable, durable service life of 250,000 kilometers and 10 years. Such strict tests ensure the durable quality of the X25. How is the market environment for SUVs? What types of customers highly favor the X25? The X25 targets itself at young customer groups who have high career ideals and lofty pursuits. It is positioned as a small SUV full of personality, relaxation, and sportiness. Personality represents an attitude towards a life of contemporary, fashionable youth. They advertise themselves, have their own opinions, and are true to themselves with no artificial affectation. Relaxation refers to the free and imaginative life which fashionable youth long for. Sportiness marks the sporty attributes of SUV models, which are characterized by easy driving control, comfort, and spaciousness. There are clear young signs in the overall appearance, interior design, and configuration mixtures of the X25. Therefore, its target customer groups are positioned at those young people who are newlyweds, new workers, and new entrepreneurs who love fashion and value self-achievement. Car ownership is a sign of their career advancement. The overall appearance design of the X25 is concise and trendy. Its interior exudes a full sense of sportiness and is highly popular with fashionable youth. In this part, we will introduce the appearance of the X25 from the 5 aspects of vehicle parameters: face design, side design, top design, and tail design. Now, let's look at the vehicle parameters first. As for body dimensions, the X25 is 4,110 millimeters long, 1,750 millimeters wide, and 1,583 millimeters high. As a small SUV, the X25 can well provide customers with a comfortable driving and sitting space. To meet the diversified needs of fashionable youth, the X25 provides 6 appearance colors for customers to choose from. You can click on the arrow and view the overall effect of the X25. At first sight, customers are instantly attracted by the clear-cut styling of the bike X25. The bike logo is wrapped around by single wing-shaped grille shining strips, giving a great sense of nobility to the bike logo. It also reflects the aviation sport DNA and tremendous confidence of bike Saab. The headlights of the X25 adopt a lens design to produce excellent light focusing effect. The headlights possess the automatic on-off, follow me home, and height adjustment functions. The follow me home makes it convenient for you to park at night, while the headlight height adjustment function enhances night driving safety. In addition, the headlights of the X25 are integrated with daytime driving lights, perfectly combining beauty with safety. The lower intake grille of the X25 adopts a trapezoidal mouth design to make the face of the vehicle look more stylish and fashionable. Besides, the wide grille provides enough heat diffusion for the engine. A fashionable silver underboard is highly dynamic and accentuates the overall robust style of the X25. The huge air guides on the front bumper give people a strong visual impact, which not only enhances the overall class of the X25, but also offers an extra safety guarantee. The rain sensors of the X25 can automatically detect whether it is raining outside and promptly enable the wiper. The wiper can automatically adjust its swing speed according to the vehicle speed and rain intensity to let the driver fully enjoy driving safety and convenience. Seen from the side, the robust waistline of the X25 is full of dynamism. The waistline extends from the front doors to the tail and forms one body with the taillights, accentuating the dynamism and elegance of the bike X25. A streamlined body design of the X25 is not only good-looking, but also plays the role of guiding airflows and reducing air drag, ultimately ensuring a CD value of 0.36. This puts the X25 far ahead of models of the same segment and provides the X25 with outstanding power performance and fuel economy. Dual-color polished hubs matched with red calipers give the X25 a sporty style. For SUVs, the luggage rack is also an important symbol of status. A hollow top luggage rack adds an extra sense of sportiness to the body of the X25 and allows the driver to well sort out travel items. In addition, it can also carry items which cannot be put inside the trunk, like big luggage, bicycle, etc. Good look and practicality are perfectly combined in the luggage rack of the X25. An intelligent, anti-pinch electric sunroof enhances the class of the X25, while making it more fashionable and more pleasing to the eye. The sunroof offers both lighting and ventilation functions, and enables the driver to fully enjoy great sunshine and fresh air, and live a more comfortable driving life. Compared with the face part, the tail of the X25 features no less highlights. A fashionable tail design style well resonates with the face of the vehicle. The car logo of the X25 is added in a position close to the tail part, which highlights personality and status and adds a sense of inspiration. The irregular shapes of the taillights of the X25 well suit the characteristics of an SUV and well integrate with the personalized design of the body. A ring-shaped LED light bar is set up inside the taillights to produce a high degree of identification and a bright effect when it is lit up at night. A silver underboard is also adopted for the tail of the X25, which resonates with the silver underboard at the face of the vehicle. The underboard not only features an overall fashionable avant-garde style, but also strengthens a sporty style with a low visual focus. As for the interior, the X25 also shows a high-end design philosophy. Its interior is integrated with many designs of the sporty style. From color mixture to details, great personality is manifested in the interior of the X25, giving people a feeling of being inside a racing car. The interior of the X25 has 3 color combinations, which are respectively black-orange, black-red, and black-blue. This offers free choices to fashionable youth. Adopting a leather and textile mixture, the seat materials are soft and enhances driving and sitting comfort. The center console of the X25 adopts a symmetric design and is inlaid with black carbon fiber, pattern trim board, and black piano lacquer panel. These further enhance the sporty style of the X25 and boost its sense of luxury and texture while driving. The 3-spoke leather steering wheel of the X25 gives a more comfortable hand feel. It adopts red seam lines to highlight fashionableness and style. The word X25 is printed at the bottom of the steering wheel to raise the sense of status for the X25. There is a center armrest at the middle of the front seats. When the driver drives over long periods, the center armrest can provide elbow support to reduce driving fatigue and enhance driving comfort. Through a multiple loudspeaker layout with multi-acoustic fields, the 6-loudspeaker Panasonic sound of the X25 produces a sense of the scene through authentic sound. Turning on the sound system and listening to the soft or lively music is also an enjoyment of life to both the driver and the passenger. The X25 features 4 floating air outlets with a logo styling, which bears a distinct characteristic of the bike family. The Chinese character elements are integrated into the interior design of the X25 to give it a good-looking appearance and make it more distinguishable. Meanwhile, the center console of the X25 is inlaid with a quartz clock, which not only facilitates the driver to watch time, but also enhances the sense of nobleness of the vehicle. A 7-inch floating display screen is adopted to accentuate a sense of luxury of the X25. Integrated with multiple functions, the display screen allows fast response and presents high picture quality. The X25 also performs outstandingly in power and controllability, which can be well demonstrated in its engine, transmission, and chassis. The X25 adopts a 1.5-liter A151 high-performance all-aluminum engine made by Bike. This engine is characterized by high fuel efficiency and strong power output. The engine can produce a maximum power output of 85 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 148 Newton meters, and has obvious advantages comparing with other vehicles of the same segment. In addition, the A151 also adopts lightweight design, intake VVT control, low friction, variable length intake manifold, and other core engine technologies. By the engine VVT technology, the intake air volume, valve timing can be adjusted to a best situation according to the engine operating condition, thus improve fuel efficiency effectively. The variable length intake manifold changes the intake pipe length to ensure that the best air supply is always reached, whether the engine is at high or low speed. This improves the fuel efficiency of the engine. It can achieve greater stability and more ample torque at low speed, and greater smoothness and larger power output at high speed. Practice shows that the engine equipped on the X25 produces far better performance indicators than engines of other vehicle models of the same segment do. In particular, the X25 performs outstandingly in terms of 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration time and power per liter. To meet different customer needs, the Bike X25 provides 2 transmissions, 5MT and 4AT. The 5MT transmission is a homemade transmission in China. In addition to the functions of a conventional transmission, the 5MT is also equipped with a smart shifting MT system, namely the shift reminder function. The role of this function is that it can issue an upshift or downshift prompt based on comprehensive engine and vehicle speed computations and current shift. It can provide assisted driving and make driving more convenient. The automatic transmission of the X25 adopts an Aisin second-generation 4-speed transmission. Aisin is an internationally known transmission brand, and its transmissions are characterized by smooth shift change, light weight, low noise, and low fuel consumption. Aisin transmissions are highly popular with various car makers. Almost all models of the famous car maker Toyota are equipped with an Aisin transmission. The Aisin second-generation 4-speed transmission offers 4 work modes, which are respectively Snow, Eco, Sport, and Cruise. Based on different road conditions, the driver can select different work modes via the selection button near the shift lever. We know that the X25 comes from the Bike MB-Tech chassis platform. The Bike MB-Tech Development Center is Bike's most important, most advanced technology research center. It provides technical services to all the Chinese brands under Bike. Bike MB-Tech carries forward a driver-centered car-making philosophy and aspires to provide mature, advanced technologies. Meanwhile, the X25 is integrated with Saab's design standards, development processes, and verification specification to improve vehicle development quality and provide extraordinary driving fun. The X25 adopts a McPherson independent suspension as its front suspension. The McPherson suspension offers excellent responsiveness and controllability and is characterized by simple structure, small space requirement, low cost, and light weight. Meanwhile, it possesses strong road adaptability. Many well-known brand sedans all adopt a McPherson independent suspension as their front suspension. The X25 adopts an H-shaped torsion beam suspension as its rear suspension. The torsion beam suspension offers swift control and has a simple structure. It occupies little space. It can provide a larger body space to the vehicle. It can well filter out minor vibrations and shocks, making body camber changes difficult to happen. Therefore, it can both improve driving comfort and reduce tire wear. The X25 is the first among small SUVs to adopt a fairly advanced electric power steering system to enhance vehicle controllability. The electric power steering system utilizes the power generated by the motor to help the driver to steer. It can easily provide different power steering effects according to different vehicle speeds, so as to ensure easy and flexible vehicle steering at low speed, as well as steering stability and reliability at high speed. The electric power steering system can reduce fuel consumption, save more energy, and achieve greater environment friendliness. The X25 possesses excellent active and passive safety measures to perfectly combine comfort with safety. Before we start to learn about the safety devices of the X25, we need to know the concepts of active safety and passive safety. Then, what is active safety and what is passive safety? The role of active safety configurations is to prevent accidents from happening. These are systems which use monitoring equipment to monitor the surrounding road condition or vehicle information while driving and provide alarm signals to alert the driver. ABS, EBD, and high-mount stop lamps, which we are familiar with, all belong to active safety devices. Passive safety configurations are safety configurations which prevent harm to onboard interior personnel after accidents have happened. Bumpers, airbags, and seatbelts, which we often see, are passive safety devices. To ensure driver and passenger safety, the bike X25 is equipped with advanced, reliable safety systems. ABS and EBD from Bosch version 9.1 can exert best control on the braking force of each wheel and ensure vehicle braking safety in the event of emergency braking or sharp cornering. In emergency situations, EBA can quickly and automatically provide greater pressure for brake pedal to enhance the braking effect, greatly reduce braking distance, and improve safety. When detecting that the driver has unsuccessfully braked the vehicle, the brake override system, BOS, will automatically switch the engine to idle mode and ensure driver and passenger safety. This function will play an important role in emergency situations when the accelerator pedal and the brake pedal are simultaneously stepped on. The engine immobilizer function reduces the possibility of vehicle theft by stolen keys almost to zero, and therefore ensures vehicle safety. Why do we say so? This is because a sole vehicle electric identification chip is put inside the vehicle key. When the vehicle is started, the engine will activate the coil on the ignition lock head via the onboard network. It will identify whether the chip on the key is expected. If the key is confirmed as lawful, the engine will start. Otherwise, the controller will not inject fuel and make it impossible to start the vehicle. The automatic unlocking function ensures that when there is a car collision, the ECU can quickly get collision information under the action of sensors and concurrently issue an instruction to unlock the 4 doors. This facilitates the driver and passengers to escape. A disc brake is adopted on all 4 wheels of the X25. The disc brake makes faster braking response and offers outstanding braking stability and excellent heat diffusion. It can provide good protection to the driver and passengers at any time. There are 3 round points on the rear bumper. These are 3 reversing radar probes. The rear parking radar monitors the state around the parked vehicle, accompanied by a 4-segment audible alarm. As an obstacle approaches closer, the alarm sound frequency will be higher and higher. It can help the driver to know the distance between an obstacle and the vehicle and improve driving safety. It is very practical in complicated or dim environments. The X25 is equipped with a best-in-class energy-absorbing body with wide use of high-strength steel. The body adopts a closed-force transmission path design and can effectively absorb collision energy and disperse it to all position frames of the vehicle when there is a vehicle collision. This reduces cabin deformation and protects driver and passenger safety. The X25 has 6 large airbags, including frontal airbags and side airbags in the front row, and front and rear side air curtains. In the event of a vehicle collision, the airbags can minimize harm to passengers and provide them with comprehensive safety protection. The front pre-tightening force seatbelts can actively tighten at the moment of vehicle collision and tightly tie the passenger to the seat. It prevents the passenger from leaning forward and can effectively protect passenger safety. We all know that the steering wheel is a plane. However, a column is connected under it. It is called the steering column. Upon impact, a collapsible steering column can crumple into several segments according to the prior design. This prevents the steering column from moving to the cabin and therefore protects driver safety. Each rear seat is also equipped with an ISOFIX fixture device. With an internationally general-purpose standard interface, the ISOFIX can fix a baby seat to the rear seat and therefore greatly improve child safety. The smart technology configurations of the X25 are also full of highlights. A 7-inch display screen is a major highlight of the X25. It not only makes the entire interior look more stylish and luxurious, but is also integrated with various functions. The display screen can display reversing images and clearly show the situation behind the vehicle. This helps the driver to accurately know the road condition behind. Meanwhile, the display screen is also integrated with a Bluetooth communication system. It means that the driver can take calls while driving with no distraction of attention. All the driver needs to do is to press a button or exercise voice control to take calls. This greatly improves driving safety and convenience. In combination with the intelligent onboard voice system, the display screen can display navigation maps, and the driver can easily reach the destination via the navigation system. Meanwhile, the X25 is the first to adopt the mobile phone interconnection function. Its display screen supports the screen mapping functions of Apple and Android mobile phones. Through HDMI connection, the screen can clearly display the contents of the mobile phone and achieve mutual control between the mobile phone and the screen. On the right side of the steering wheel is a cruise control button cluster. When driving on good road conditions, the driver can set the vehicle to cruise control to drive at fixed speed. It means that during long-distance driving, the driver does not need to control the accelerator pedal. This reduces driving fatigue, avoids unnecessary speed changes, and saves fuel. Besides sitting comfort, passengers also need a quiet environment. By adopting numerous advanced technologies, including engine mute chain, 4-door sound insulation, and cabin acoustic package, the X25 produces excellent mute effect and achieves an idle noise level of only 40 decibels. The acoustic package is an important component which affects the interior acoustic characteristics of a vehicle. Acoustic packaging has been designed for a total of 9 positions on the X25. All these packages can effectively absorb sound, isolate noise source, adjust interior sound quality, and improve vehicle comfort. lack of ventilation, and interior material texture can cause poor air quality and strong odor inside a vehicle, and may even affect human health. The X25 strictly implements China's passenger vehicle interior air quality evaluation standard to comprehensively lower the level of total volatile organic compounds inside the vehicle, bring its VOC content far below the international limiting values, and maintain its interior air quality at a standard healthy level. Up to this point, we have completed the current course. Through the course, I believe that you now understand the background and positioning of the X25 and have mastered all its highlights in design, power and controllability, outstanding safety, and smart technology. It is hoped that all these knowledge points will help to improve your work performance.